Hey there, it's Tom with Tom and Karen's Curious Compass. We're going to be working on installing a inverter in the truck that will give 120 volts to the camper through the truck's battery. The truck has dual alternators, so I'm hoping that I can put out enough current to be able to supply an inverter to give 120 to the camper, so that if we run on longer trips and we need more power, basically more power, it's like a generator. This is basically just 7.3 liter generator that produces 1500 watts. So let's see if it works. Time to test the power inverter. We got the 2 gauge wire running to a 1500 watt inverter. I'm gonna go ahead and see if how much current it'll put out for the camper. We wired it up here with some new terminals, and we've got a 200 amp busman fuse in there. The time when the waits after it warms up and the alternator kicks in, you can usually tell because the windows run really slow, and then they'll suddenly zoom up. So it looks like we're about 12 volts now. We should jump up to around 14 when the alternator kicks in. Alright, 12 and a half. Not that much of a big of a difference. Okay, it's loaded up. Okay, so that's both the chargers on, and we're putting out 600 watts. Put our voltage down to 12 volts, which is pretty good. Let's see what the voltmeter says, what our drop is along our line, because we're running half power right now at 1500 watt approximately. Turns out the battery is 12.5. That's not that good. What is up the inverter? Come on. 11.6, so I'm losing 0.4 volts, which is great. That's not bad for 600 watts. That'd be 60 amps I'm pulling out of on this line. I'm not sure why I don't have very much charge voltage. So I'm doing about 50 amps into the battery, 47.7 amps into the battery from the truck. The inverter current is on because it's just connected to the bus, the voltage. We're going from the truck batteries to an inverter into the camper at 13.5 volts, then switching over to the onboard converter and the LiPo charger. Woo! It's a lot to say. The other battery is just under 12 volts. This is no bueno. 11.7. That will not subside. That will not maintain. Let's see if we get a little gas. Yeah, that's not great. That should be higher than that, I think. I turned off the inverter, which was pulling 60 amps, and 13.75 is what I should see. But I have dual alternators, so I should be putting out hundreds of amps. All the hundreds of amps. So since that needs to idle up a little bit, we bought this diffuser. Oopsie. Red with yellow, red with a green stripe. Brown with a white stripe. A weird deja vu, like I'm doing this wrong. Okay, well, I got that installed. I got the pedal wires installed, got everything back together. The instructions really don't tell you how to use the thing. So I don't know if we start it in the off position, but let's see what happens. Hope we don't get a runaway. No, that's a little better. I think that'll work pretty good. We've got the little controller here, where you can just click it on. That's a click, and then raise it. Yeah, get our idle up, get our charge circuit up, get everything rolling good so we get the current we really need. All right.